Hello friends, how are you? Hope all are doing well. So, let's go for our today's topic, which is an income. If you want to make more income, then you must find this video very helpful. So, let's dive into it. Everyone wants money. Money is always in the form of income, which is be a salary, hourly work, selling some material and many more. So, now we are talking about what are the forms of income and types of income, and many more. So, without wasting time, let's go for it. There are two types of income. One is active income, and another is passive income. So, let's go for the first one, which is an active income. Active income means, if you ever earned a salary, or hourly wage, then you earned an active income. It is extremely important for everyone. It is also called as Holy Grail of income streams. You must work hard for active income. Active income doesn't make money when you are sleeping. Now, let's go for what are the examples of active income. First one is salary. This is the thing which is everyone wants in their life. For the salary, you must go for work for at least 8 hours. This is probably meaning you are getting money for your skill set and time. The second example is hourly wage. This is mainly popular in Western countries like US, UK. The people are paid an hourly salary, instead of a monthly salary. This is also one type of salary, but it is paid on hourly work, not monthly. This is probably for those who want part-time jobs. Its benefit is it's always open for you. Now let's go for third active income, which is a commissions. If you are in the sales team, you are getting commissions on your complete referral. This one has the most potential to make you a significant amount of money. Its best example is real estate agent. He gets a commission of 2–3% on every complete deal of selling land. Fourth is tip. This is mainly in restaurant, hotels, delivering furniture. This is the way where you can get tips. The fifth one is consulting and freelance services. If you are a photographer, video maker, then you can help people for freelance, for their work and earn money. Now talk about why active income is important. Because it allows you to make money quickly and consistently. This is where you can make money in a short time of period. Active income helps you to make passive income. Hey, if you are enjoying the video, then please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Now, we are going to the second type, which is passive income. Passive income needs more efforts than active income. When you are settled, then passive income automatically makes money for you. This will make money for years and years. Passive income sustains your lifestyle for a long time. Passive income still requires work. Passive incomes take years to build money. But when you upfront your focus and effort on something, that will generate money for you while you sleep. Now let's go for sources of passive income. First source is interest earned from investments. Earning interest is the most powerful and original source of passive income. If you are investing money in the bank, at some amount of rate of interest, then the money will increase exponentially by the years. That's a huge amount of money you can use at your retirement. Second source is affiliate income. Here you make money by successful referrals commission. When people clicked your referral link and make a transaction, then you get income. For example, a blog, a website, and many more. Now the third source of income is display advertising. This is also like affiliate income. For this, you need a website, a blog where you have tons of page views, and here you can do display ads. It takes years to generate revenue. The fourth one is the rental income. This takes more money. For this, you must buy a property, and rent it to needy people. But to buy this property you need active income money and more savings. This is one with a high risk of passive income. So, search before buying a property. The fifth source of income is online course sales and info products. It is a digital form of income. For this, you need a large online audience. And you have a course which teaches a valuable skill, then you can easily make thousands of dollars per month. Now it's time to know, why is passive income is important? Passive income is important because your physical presence and effort isn't continually required to make money. So, whether you are sleeping, traveling, you can make money. But passive income takes years to build money. For passive income, you need a huge online audience. You need some money to develop passive income. Now let's discuss, which is better? Active income or passive income? Let's be honest, passive income is better than active income. Because passive income makes money when you are in a sleep. You can make money while you dream. To make a passive income, you first have active income. So active income makes an important role in passive income.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video.